This will help further the role of entrepreneurship in invigorating economic, technological, and social progress. Entrepreneurs have been catapulted into the consciousness of the wider media through their high-profile activities, which help change fundamentally the rules of the game in a market. For example, Stelios Hadjiioannou and EasyJet transformed the airline industry in Europe. James Dyson's bagless cleaner changed the vacuum cleaner market. And Bill Gates' Microsoft and Steve Jobs' Apple, in their different ways, transformed the personal computing, communications, and entertainment markets. Primetime television programs showing entrepreneurs and inventors pitching their ideas to rich investors have helped popularize entrepreneurs to a wide audience. Originating in Japan, this concept has itself proved to be highly entrepreneurial. Entrepreneurship-related shows are shown worldwide under different names, such as Shark Tank in the United States, Dragon's Den in the UK, and Fikr wa Talash in Afghanistan, but not apparently in France, where, according to the apocryphal but untrue statement attributed to George W. Bush, the French do not have a word for entrepreneur. The number of scholars researching entrepreneurship has grown rapidly. Academy of Management Entrepreneurship Division membership has increased by almost 2.5 times to top 2,750 in the decade from 2001 to 2011. Business schools report a proliferation of entrepreneurship courses at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Science, technology, engineering, and medical departments in universities have also introduced entrepreneurship courses for students and faculty who want to create businesses to exploit the inventions they have created in the laboratory. Secondary and primary schools are now teaching entrepreneurship. These courses discuss hands-on issues relating to the creation of private and, increasingly, social ventures, as well as examining how existing, large, and family organizations can be entrepreneurial. In addition, courses illustrate theoretical and policy issues. Some students have made significant wealth from their new ventures. Alex, too, conceived the $1 Million Homepage to raise money for his university education. The homepage consisted of 1 million pixels arranged in a 1,000 by 1,000 pixel grid. The image-based links on it were sold for $1 per pixel in 10 by 10 blocks. The purchasers of these pixel blocks provided tiny images to be displayed on them, a uniform resource locator, URL, to which the images were linked, and a slogan to be displayed when hovering a cursor over the link. The aim of the website was to sell all of the pixels in the image, with the last 1,000 pixels being put up for auction on eBay. A final total of $1,037,100 was grossed. Other students have dropped out to pursue major entrepreneurial ideas that have germinated at college. Mark Zuckerberg famously dropped out of Harvard in his sophomore year to complete the Facebook project, which he launched from his dormitory room. Despite growing interest and activity relating to the entrepreneurship phenomenon, considerable debate surrounds the notion of entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs are complicated and ambiguous phenomena. In this very short introduction, our aim is to reflect this complexity and ambiguity, but also to weave a pathway through the debate and offer some clarity to the reader. We provide a guide to entrepreneurial events, processes, and outputs in the contexts in which they occur. We will explore the following questions. What is entrepreneurship, and why is it important? What do entrepreneurs do? Where do entrepreneurs come from? Do some types of entrepreneurs make greater contributions? What is distinctive about entrepreneurs? How do entrepreneurs think and learn from their experiences? What is the array of organizational modes in which entrepreneurship takes place? Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is about what entrepreneurs do. Entrepreneur is a French word first appearing in the 1437 Dictionnaire de la langue française. 3 definitions were listed in the dictionary.